Hi, this is Lesson 6 Problem Set. For this activity, you're going to need pattern blocks and these two papers. They should be in a sheet protector, this page on the front and this page on the back. So flip it over and make sure you're ready. You're going to need to listen to these directions very carefully and be sure to use the pause button when I ask you to. Are you ready? Okay. Do you see how I use 3 different pattern blocks to make this triangle? I used 2 triangles and 1 rhombus. So that makes 3 shapes all together. Do you see here where I wrote the number 3? Okay, look over here. Now it's your turn. You are going to get some pattern blocks and fill in this triangle. Don't do the same way I did. Try a different way. Okay, so what you're going to do over here is you're going to fill in this triangle and then write how many blocks you used right here. Be sure you hit pause while you're building. Welcome back. Next, you're going to use pattern blocks to fill in this rhombus. Press pause while you're building. Welcome back. How many shapes did you use? Write your number right here. Now, use different pattern blocks to build on this rhombus. Press pause while you're building. Welcome back. How many shapes did you use? That's right. Write that number here. Now for the 2 hexagons. You're going to be filling these in with pattern blocks. Be sure to do it 2 different ways. They should not look the same. When you're done, put your number on these lines for how many blocks you used. Here and here. When you're done, take your blocks off and turn your paper over. I'll wait while you do that. Okay, now you have your paper turned over and you should see these shapes here. On this side, you get to have fun filling in these shapes with pattern blocks. Send a picture of both sides to your teacher on Seesaw. Have fun!